Welcome to this training course. I'm going to lead you on how to write scarcity emails in this video. Scarcity is one of the marketing strategies to sell your products. With this method, you push the sales harder by making it a scarce in terms of time or amount of products. As you can see here, the subject line used here is 24-hour price freeze. In this example, it uses the timely factor. You've set a time limitation for them to make their decision. Now, move to the content of the email. Include the scarcity factor in your content to make it congruent to your subject line. In addition, what's in it for me? This is the key word in writing the content. You need to let them know what the benefits of buying your product are. Write it in bullet form. This is easier to read than putting them all in a paragraph. I've listed out 10 points here. This is not a hard and fast rule. It's all up to you and it's your choice. Once you've written all the benefits, you can then include the link to your sales page. The rest of the selling will be done on the sales page. Your email will play a role as the pre-sell. And last, sign your name at the bottom. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.